This is one of the best discoveries I've made so far. I have cracked the pizza equation. This is potato pizza. The ingredients are potatoes, bell peppers, tomatoes, 1 egg and seasoning of salt and pepper, some prawns or ham, and cheese. I use mozzarella. Peel and wash your potatoes, then slice them thin like how the bhajia ones usually are. Then chop your peppers into small size. Next, oil your pan and add a little butter for more flavor and place your sliced tomatoes. Now, this way of cooking tomatoes gives it so much flavor. Sprinkle some salt and black pepper and cover for 5 minutes. After, turn the tomatoes and my god, these tomatoes are amazing. A little tip, on toasted bread, place the tomatoes and some avocado or ham or cheese, and trust me, you will thank me later. The same pan, add a little oil, a tablespoon or 2, and cook your peppers. Red peppers are usually more sweeter than the green ones, and the combination is quite something. Sprinkle some salt, pepper, and some oregano. Once cooked slightly, add in your prawns or topping of choice and let them cook together. Now to the star of the show. In a different pan, add in some oil and rosemary. I hope you know rosemary and potatoes are like the Bonnie and Clyde in the food world. Once the rosemary has warmed up, add in your potatoes, sprinkle some salt, and cover for 10 minutes. Now, don't judge the lid I'm using. It's a little retro, if you know what I mean. Turn the potatoes and sprinkle some more salt. You poke the potatoes and they are soft inside, then you are ready for the eggs. The eggs are added in some oregano and some salt. Pour the mix over the potatoes. Then add in your cheese, tomatoes, peppers and prawns, and more cheese, and cover. You can see how crispy the potatoes are. After 3 or 5 minutes, your pizza is ready. Be ready to be mind blown. The flavors are amazing. You can taste everything. The cheese, the tomatoes, my god. In all honesty, I kinda ate this by myself and made another. Now, try this and you will enjoy it.